Hi everyone. So today we're going to look at 2010 AMC 8 number 25. So the problem reads, every day at school, Joe climbs up a flight of 6 stairs. Joe can take the stairs 1, 2, or 3 at a time. For example, Joe could climb 3, then 1, then 2. In how many ways can Joe climb up the stairs? So, as a picture, this is Joe. She can go up 3, then 1, then 2. So we're going to solve this problem in general. But first, let's see how the problem works for smaller values. So let's say there's only one step. Then Joe can go up them in just one way. If there are 2 steps, then Joe could either go up 1 and then 1, or she could go up 2 all at the same time. If there are 3 steps, Joe could go up them 1, then 1, then 1. She could go up them all 3. She could go up She could go up 2, then 1, or she could go up 1, then 2. So let an be the number of ways Joe can climb n steps. So what we've just found is that A1 is 1 because there's one way Joe can climb up 1 step. A2 is 2 because there are 2 ways Joe can climb up a flight of 2 steps. And A3 is 3 because there are, well, actually 4 because there are 4 ways Joe could climb up a flight of 3 steps. So let's think how we might solve this problem in general. There are 3 possible cases. Let's think about the last step. The last step has to be either a 1-step, 2-step, or 3-step. If the last step is a 1-step, then there's n-1 steps before it. By definition, there are n-1 ways you could climb up the n steps, -1 steps. If the last step is a 2-step, then there are n-2 steps before it. By definition of an, there are n-2 ways we could climb up the n-2 steps. If the last step is a 3-step, then there are n-3 steps leading up to it. So by definition, there are n-3 ways we could climb up the first n-3 steps in that case. Now these are the only 3 possibilities for what the last step could be. It has to be either a 1-step, 2-step, or a 3-step. Therefore, an has to be an-1 plus an-2 plus an-3. So this is if the last step is a 1-step. This is if the last step is a 2-step. And this is if the last step is a 3-step. So we've already found that A1 is 1. A2 is 2, and A3 is 4. So now we can just use this relationship to compute. And this kind of relationship is called a recursive relationship. So A4 is A1 plus A2 plus A3 is 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7. A5 is A2 plus A3 plus A4, which is 2 plus 4 plus 7, which is 13. And A6 is the sum of the last three terms, which is 4 plus 7 plus 13. So 4 plus 7, that's 11, plus 13 is 24. Therefore, A6 is 24, and there are 24 ways Joe could climb up a flight of 6 steps. With larger problems, this kind of approach may be faster than listing out all the possibilities. For instance, if the problem had asked how many ways could she climb up a flight of 12 steps, it would be very tedious to list all the ways she could climb up, 12 steps.